I am Jennifer Smith, and I am from Charleston, South Carolina. I went from homemaker, raising my kids, homeschooling, to I also do nails. I kind of divorced, and so I went back to nails, and then just office manager. So nothing special. Basically, I don't get to see my kids anymore, and going from being a stay-at-home mom, homeschooling mom, and I don't get to see anything. I have no power over that, and I really miss them. Real estate's definitely going to be the right vehicle. I have watched the real estate world for over 20 years. I wanted to do it just early 20s, and just everyone always told me, no, that's not going to get you anywhere. And so as I'm really looking at things and analyzing and trying to come up with some really good decisions, that was definitely the vehicle I was going with. I went more, not so much programs, just I wanted a rehab. I knew I liked that whole idea, but I just didn't know how I would fund that. If I don't have money to put into it, I can't get my feet wet. So I really just figured I wasn't allowed to. It's unlimited. It's unlimited. I mean, you don't have to have your own money. They are teaching us ways to get around that with the people who do have the money. And then, of course, in return, I will have the money to do it myself. Oh my gosh, so exciting. I mean, you can say it all you want, but they're giving me the tools to actually do it. I can walk the walk, not just talk it. The inspiration, the personal stories, you know, and Cody is so real. He's very down to earth. He just doesn't seem like a snobby, I make all this money, haha. You just want to know it walking down the street next to him. So I really like that down to earth. Everyone is just everyday people. They're not all dolled up with all these cars and jewelry and houses and vacation. They're just everyday clothes, everyday people. So that's been really, really exciting. I can envision it now. I can see it. I like the energy. The energy is just, I'm a positive person naturally, and I very often can feel that energy is so negative. I mean, there's just always somebody ready to bring you down and tell you no, no, no. And so there is none of that here. It's just everyone's ready to help you and get you going immediately. Matter of 15 hours, I'm making an offer. How amazing is that? I see my future completely different. Like, I'm excited to go home and tell my kids, give me one to 3 hard years and I'll be back. You know, and I want to give them the future. I want them to have a much better life than I had. And I want them to see the world and not have a closed mind. And so I feel like I can do that in the travel. And then if they choose to go to college, you know what? I don't feel like you have to go to college to make it a successful life. And so I want to give them options in whatever direction that is. I truly believe life isn't all about highs. You're going to hit a low. And I just want them to see that I've had a lot of lows, so unfortunately they have experienced that. But it didn't kill my spirit, it didn't kill my determination, and that they're going to recover from that. Anyone who was on the fence about clever investors, you have to take that leap because you just don't know until you get here. So even if you're doubtful and you're even doubtful in your own ability to do it, there is not any one person who couldn't do this. It's just get your butt here and do it.